welcome back for the final time to DNA 2. This is the last lab. Oh my gosh, it's been a journey. Okay, wow. So, first things first, click through the options. Press space to continue. Find the weird spindly thread thing. Closest one is right there. Identify the ta-ta box. Well, that's definitely a sentence that exists.
In eukaryotes, but not prokaryotes.
There's a chicken nugget. That's DNA polymerase or whatever. Okay, now you're gonna match stuff. I have this problem where when there are a bunch of letters that are really close together and I have to focus on specifics of like which letter goes with which, letters don't look real anymore and I stop being able to read. So I sped up my footage because it took me an embarrassingly long time. This is only on 2 times speed. I could have put it on a higher setting, but like, yeah, you get it. So pause is needed. Just remember that G goes with C, A goes with T. It also goes with U. I don't know. A is weird. It's just built different. Almost done. This bit takes kind of forever. It's a little bit annoying.
RNA polymerase will continue to synthesize mRNA.
We don't care about that. So let me go into the next thing. Nucleus pore. What does that mean? It means those weird thingies that look really weird. The weird funnel looking things. Yeah, that. Interact with that. Interact with the free ribosome. Time for more matching. So this bit took me a little bit. This is probably the hardest part. Drag the methiamine. So this part I just kept getting really lucky with the amino acids stuff that I had to match with it. I actually had no idea how I was supposed to know because I didn't watch the video at all or pay attention to it. So met, and then I picked, what did I pick here? Arg? Lou? Arg. Let's go. And I kept getting it right, and I was like, wow, I'm really good at this. Maybe they're all right. And it turns out they're not. There's a specific one for each one. That didn't stop me from getting it right. Yeah, baby! Then it tries to teach you more stuff, and I tried to read it, and then I gave up on reading it. And now we have to do this 10 million more times. Is it a little bit painful? Yes, definitely. Did I do it anyways? Yes. Was it a little bit difficult and I got a few things wrong? Maybe. You don't have proof of that. All you have proof of is that I made cuts in the video. That does not mean I got it wrong. That just means I spent a long time. So, you can't prove anything. Screw you. Cug. Yeah, baby, one more. Finally, Jesus. Okay. ACC for the last one here. And then that last weird little thingamajiggy for the stop codon. Press Q to exit. And now, the man, the myth, the legend, the loser, Wendell. We hate him. He's stupid. He should be dead. He is an idiot. She gets it. She's so right. Screw your roommate and screw you, Wendell. I don't know why I hate him so much. He's just so hateable. Like, I don't know. He's an op, okay? Do the questions. Easy 100. And that is the entire lab. That's the last one. I don't even know what to say. I guess stick around if you like any of the other stuff you've seen on the channel. You can just kind of, I guess, watch. If you want to hang out on my Discord server, I've got one of those. It's not for biology or anything, it's just for gaming. And if you ever want to play, I go in VC a lot and play a bunch of games. So that's something. But thank you guys so much for all of the love that you guys have given me in the comments. I think that at least 10 people have said they wanted to marry me, which is so nice. My pillow has stayed cold, and I love you guys too. And thank you so much for all of the nice things you've said. And I will see you guys around. See ya!